हेलो एंड वेलकम एवरीवन, दिस इज प्रोफेसर सिद्धार्थ सुराना। आई होप यू गाइस आर डूइंग गुड। और मैं तो हमेशा मस्त ही रहता हूं। वेलकम वेलकम आफ्टर लॉन्ग टाइम आई थिंक आई एम रिकॉर्डिंग अ वीडियो। सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ वेरी स्मॉल वीडियो। इस वीडियो के अंदर जस्ट अबाउट टू थिंग्स। फर्स्ट, वी आर ब्रिंगिंग सम फ्री लेक्चर्स फॉर द अपकमिंग सीए फाइनल अटेम्प्ट्स। तो कैसे वो लेक्चर्स आप लोग एक्सेस या अवेल कर सकते हो, आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू अबाउट दैट एंड अबाउट माई new books. So first let me introduce to you the new books which will be applicable for May 22 and November 22. Altogether there are going to be 4 books, out of which 3 are ready for pre-booking May 22, November 22, that is previous year 21-22 and assessment year 22-23. First book that I have is the theory book, which will cover your entire direct tax theory in complete detail as applicable for CA final exams. All concepts are explained in a very easy manner compared to our last version of the book. We have increased the font size, we have made the presentation a little better, so your entire theory will get covered. This is the first book for May 22, November 22. Second, sir, a lot of students come and ask me, sir, why don't you make a compilation of question answer like other people do? A book in which you cover RTPs, MTPs, study material question. I asked them that how many questions are other people covering. They said about 300. Ladies and gentlemen, 400 theory and practical questions covered. Hashtag Thug Life. Na 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 na. 400 theory and questions, theory and practical questions covered. RTPs are covered, MTPs are covered, wherever relevant past exam questions are covered. All questions of ICAI study material will also be covered. That's your second book for May 22 and November 22. I am calling it the question and answer book. So theory book, question answer book, and the third book, something that everyone waits for every year, MCQ book for May 22 and November 22. This time I am covering 1800 MCQs in this book. So last book had about 1650 questions. Usme the concept of settlement commission is now removed from income tax. So lot of questions of settlement commission are removed, about 20-30 questions, and then I have increased that. So we have about 150 to 200 approximately new questions in the book. All questions of ICAI database. आज तक ICAI ने जितना questions release किया in public domain, they are covered. All MCQs of mock test paper RTPs are covered. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, your entire case study digest, which was released last year, people are scared of it. सर कैसे करने का, so many MCQs in case study environment, how to solve. Every single case study is now covered. There is not a single MCQ of case study digest which you will not find in our book. 100% coverage of all MCQs. Your 25 marks minimum I am going to secure for you here in this book. So this is going to be your third book. So till now these 3 books are ready. The fourth book will be, of course, our colored handwritten book, Exemption in Direct Tax. Season 2, Volume 2. I have started working on it. We are making it even better than last time. We are incorporating some memes in it. We are incorporating more tables, charts, examples in that. So that will be the fourth book. But currently these 3 books are ready, and currently these 3 books are available for pre-booking, and we are giving you a limited period pre-booking offer. These 3 books, so the textbook, the question answer book, and the theory book, they all 3, the set, the entire set, theory textbook, question answer book, and MCQ book, the set can be purchased at a pre-booking price of 1000 only. All 3 books will be covered. That's the current first offer that we are giving right now. And of course, whenever our handwritten book will be released, that also will be available. We will be changing the offers at that time, but right now you can take the 3 books at this pre-booking offer. This is the first thing that I wanted to introduce, the 3 new books. The special feature is the new question answer book, and of course the MCQ book, like always. And now one more very big announcement. See, बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स आके पूछते हैं, सर, दैट देर आर सम लेक्चर्स जो हम लोग यूट्यूब पे देखते हैं लोगों के, बट द थिंग इज दैट यूट्यूब का जो डेमो लेक्चर्स है, एनीबडी विल अपलोड ओनली दोज चैप्टर्स इन विच दे आर गुड. जो अपना बेस्ट चैप्टर होगा वही अपलोड करेगा. कोई भी ये तो अपलोड नहीं करेगा जो उसका चैप्टर अच्छा नहीं. एंड मेनी अ टाइम सर हमारे साथ में स्कैम हुआ. वो 2 अच्छा चैप्टर था, उसको देख के हमने बाय कर लिया, एंड देन लेटर ऑन वी फाउंड आउट कि ये तो लेक्चर्स में दम ही नहीं है. तो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, boys and girls, we are now bringing for you at Coppergate Educare the Teachers Month offer. The offer teachers का डे नहीं होता है, उनका पूरा का पूरा मंथ होता है. We are bringing for you the Teachers Month वाला offer for 4 subjects, costing by Dani sir, CA Dani Khandelwal sir, direct tax by myself, which will also include elective paper 6 C international tax, SFM by CA Ankit Sarvaiya sir, all India 37 rank holder in CA final, and financial reporting paper 1 by Vishesh Jain sir. These 4 subjects, you can now watch them. Just a second, let me zoom a bit so that you can see the dates a little clearly. These 4 subjects, you can now watch them absolutely free. For a period of 4 days, we will be opening every subject. So, Dani sir's costing will be 3rd September to 6th September. My DT and international tax will be 10th September to 13th September. Ankit sir, SFM paper 2 will be 17th to 20th September, and FR by Vishesh sir will be 24 to 27 September. The entire month of September, we will be making you these lectures on different weekends. Different subjects will be available. Sir, how can we take these lectures? Go to our website, Coppergate Educare. In fact, below this video on my YouTube channel, I will also be giving you the direct link of purchase. If you don't want to go to the website, you have to fill up a small form over there. You submit that form. We will get your email address with that form, and within 24 to 48 hours, you will get serial key of these lectures. You can of course choose old course or new course, whatever options are there, everything will be given in that form. We will mail you the serial key, and as per this timetable, you can watch the lecture. The serial key that we will give you, it can come at any time. You can book the lectures up to 31st August. Serial key can come at any time. The serial key will automatically start on this start date of every subject. So, costing serial key will become active on 3rd September, and automatically it will stop on 6th September. Likewise, direct tax serial key will automatically activate on 10th September, and it will stop on 13th September. So, during those 4 days, you can watch any chapter. You convince yourself that the faculty that I am choosing is not good only in 1 chapter or 2 chapters that he has uploaded on YouTube. Any chapter from the first chapter to the last chapter, I have made a good choice. You can be convinced with these 4 days of free viewing of any chapter of our respective subjects. And of course, after the last day, the serial key will be automatically disabled. So, all you are required to do is, below this video, wo link hoega, you just click that link and you will get link for pre-booking of textbooks also, and link for this course also. This September will not have only Teachers Day. It is going to be Teachers Month. All your teachers are now going to be available for you. So, 2 things that I have told you in today's video. One is about the new books for which we have a pre-booking offer, and also about this. And as and when exemption volume 2 will get ready, we will make that available also. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Take care, please.